Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TDEY. We are going to take a look at the weekly time frame. First thing to note, weekly time frame. So real quick, if you're not familiar with charts, instead of each one of these bars or candlesticks as they're known representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what they would normally mean on most charts, in this case they represent 1 week's worth of time. So although this may look like just a few days, looking down here you can see we're looking at multiple months here. So again, each one of these is just 1 week's of price action. Now the last time I did it on the weekly time frame, the chart looked like that, and I said there could probably going to be some sort of pullback because of the spinning top, and like usual got a bunch of people accusing me of things, saying, hey, what are you talking about? And sure enough, it did pull back. So now it's just a matter of where is this pullback going to finally end. And I think the weekly chart gives us some pretty good clues as to some spots where not only it could end, but also where if you're in the stock where you really need it to end, or else the chart's really going to start to take a turn for the worse. So let's just hop right in with that. So the first area, and maybe it hit it this week or maybe it didn't, it did not, got pretty close, is going to be right here at 0.0039. Now where does 0.0039 come from? Well, if we look back here through the history of the chart, you can see on this initial move here back in late April and then May through July, you can see that move came and peaked out right at that 0039. So it acted as a level of resistance. Price pulled back. Note where it pulled back to, this purple line here, which is the 50-week simple moving average, hovered around there, and then when it finally woke up again, you can see when it broke above this 0039, big explosion, pulled back, found support here, never closed below it, right there again, back tested it, and then again exploded to the upside. So this level carries quite a bit of significance and weight. So that's why I say it would not shock me at all to see the price finally find some support here and bounce. But also, if you're already in this, you'd really like to see this level hold. Now, if it doesn't, there is still a little bit more hope for you, and that comes in the form of the 50-week simple moving average. Now, again, if you're a day trader or somebody and you bought up here, yeah, you're thinking, well, why would I care about that? This is more, we're looking at the weekly chart, so these are for the people that care about the overall chart. So this is going to be the level that needs to hold even for those people, and that's at 0024 right now, being the 50-week simple moving average. In terms of resistances, with any sort of bounce, the key level to get above is going to be right here, and that's at 0.0117. You can see acted as resistance there, and then even this week acted as resistance once more. So that'll be the key current level of resistance on the weekly chart that you're going to want to keep an eye on. So keep an eye. Let's see what happens next week with the weekly chart and then with the daily chart also. But the pullback, it's pulled back enough, needs to stop now. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, and you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting, or maybe you already use charts and are just looking for some advanced tactics and strategies, I'd encourage you to click on the image up above and check out some of our courses, all available in instant download format. They've been getting great third-party reviews and testimonials, so I'd encourage you to click up there and give them a try. One more time, this was the TDEY weekly chart. Thanks for listening and have a great weekend.